Hi, I'm Elizabeth St. Hilaire, and today I want to tell you about something really exciting. I've got a brand new online workshop coming up. It's called Funky Florals. These are imagined photo referenced or foam stamped florals in unique and different vases, whether they're clear that show the stems, stenciled that show a great pattern, or collaged that show shading and dimension. The florals are going to be set on backgrounds that are divided into segments, and those segments are going to be treated in unique and different ways. We're going to talk about stenciling with molding paste, stenciling with paint. We're going to talk about using black gesso and then doodling on top with white marker. We're going to talk about using metallic leaf. We're going to then incorporate mark making with Stabilo woodies and Posca paint pens. This is going to be a lot of fun. These funky florals are creative and loose and do not rely on reality. What could be better? So there are 27 robust tutorial videos in this workshop. There are an additional 16 bonus videos of related material, and there are 12 PDF download handouts that you can print and keep in your studio to refer back to. And speaking of referring back to, you will have indefinite access to all of the videos and all of the lessons and the entire online workshop. I will be commenting, and I will be opening and offering a virtual classroom where you can upload your work, and I will respond and give you feedback for the duration of the course dates. You'll also have the opportunity to receive feedback from your fellow students in the workshop during those course dates. After the course dates are completed, you'll have indefinite access to the material to review on your own and to process through as a self-study. So you'll have an indefinite access to the videos, to the workshop, and you'll have feedback from me and your fellow students in the virtual classroom for the duration of the live course dates. I hope that you'll consider joining me for Funky Florals. It's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a lot of color, pattern, texture, and unique opportunity for you to show your personal creative style. All the information is below the video and also on my website, paperpaintings.com.